LafaekStreet, where citizens' voices meet blockchain's permanence, AI's intelligence, and government's responsibility, built for Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste is one of the youngest nations in the world. With over 6,000 kilometers of roads and limited infrastructure, citizens face potholes, flooding, and broken streetlights every day. But here's the real problem. There is no system for citizens to report these issues. No transparency, no accountability. Reports can be ignored, deleted, or simply lost. And in remote areas, internet connectivity is unreliable at best. We asked ourselves, what if every citizen could report an issue with just their phone? And what if that report could never be deleted or tampered with by anyone? LafaekStreet is a complete civic engagement ecosystem with 4 connected applications. Citizens use our mobile app to photograph and report road issues. Our AI automatically validates these images, rejecting selfies and irrelevant photos, and classifies the damage type and severity. Every valid report is then permanently recorded on the Hedera blockchain using the consensus service. The key here is that no one, not even us, the system administrators, can delete or alter these records. Government agencies log into their portal to review, assign, and resolve reports, and the public dashboard lets everyone track progress with live maps, statistics, and an AI-powered chat assistant. Here's how it works. A citizen opens the app, takes a photo of a pothole, and submits. Behind the scenes, Amazon Bedrock's Nova 2 model first checks if the image is actually an infrastructure problem. If someone uploads a selfie or food photo, it's automatically rejected. For valid reports, the AI classifies the damage, pothole, road crack, flooding, and scores the severity. Then the report data is signed using AWS KMS hardware security and submitted to the Hedera consensus service. The entire process costs less than 1/10 of a cent per report, and anyone can verify it publicly on Hashscan Explorer.
Okay guys, now I will make a demonstration to make a report about the street problem. So now we can see that in there we have like a pothole. So now we will open our application and we make a report about this problem.
One of our key differentiators is offline support. In Timor-Leste, many areas have unreliable internet, so the app works completely offline. Watch, I'll turn on offline mode and create a report. GPS still works because it uses satellites, not internet. The report is saved locally. Now, when I reconnect, the report automatically syncs to the server, gets AI validation, and is recorded on the blockchain. This is critical for reaching rural communities where infrastructure problems are often the worst, but connectivity is the most limited. Every report in LafaekStreet is permanently recorded on the Hedera blockchain using the consensus service. We use 2 HCS topics, one for report submissions and one for status updates. Right now, we have over 78 real citizen reports recorded immutably on the testnet. Let me show you on Hashscan Explorer. Here you can see the actual messages, each containing report metadata, GPS coordinates, issue type, severity, and AI analysis results. And here's a single transaction. The total cost was $0.00086, less than 1/10 of a cent. At this rate, providing full blockchain transparency for an entire nation would cost approximately $41 per year. That's the power of Hedera. The government portal at gov.lafaekstreet.com is where agencies manage reports. Login requires email, password, and a 2-factor authentication code sent via email, plus HCAPTCHA bot protection. Agencies can review reports, update statuses, assign work to other departments, and track performance analytics. Every status change is also recorded on the Hedera blockchain. The public dashboard at www.lafaekstreet.com is open to everyone. real-time statistics, an interactive map with all reports, and Rua Lafek, our AI chat assistant that lets anyone query infrastructure data using natural language. Our tech stack is production grade. Flutter for the mobile app with offline-first architecture, fast API backend with 36 API endpoints, Next.js for both web applications, Amazon Bedrock for AI, Hedera for blockchain, AWS KMS for security, PostgreSQL with PostGIS for geospatial data, and PG Vector for AI similarity search. Everything is live and deployed. The backend runs on AWS Lightsail. LafaekStreet is not a prototype, it's a fully functional platform with real data on the Hedera blockchain today. Moving forward, we plan to deploy to Hedera mainnet, partner with the Timor-Leste government, and expand to other Civic services. The economics are compelling. Full blockchain transparency for an entire nation costs just $41 per year. And because of Hedera's low costs and our efficient architecture, this model can be replicated in any developing nation facing similar infrastructure challenges. LafaekStreet, trust through transparency, accountability through immutability, built for Timor-Leste, powered by Hedera. Thank you.